Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Craven Vanguard in Ultimate Battlegrounds. First, understand that Craven Vanguard excels at protecting allies and controlling key areas. Its core ability, Bulwark Shield, provides a substantial defensive boost, absorbing a significant amount of incoming damage for a short duration. Deploy it near vulnerable teammates or objectives to maximize its protective value. Mastering its deployment timing is key to turning the tide of battle. Craven Vanguard's Bulwark Shield is your primary defensive tool, offering robust protection for 4 seconds. Combine this with Defensive Stance to further mitigate incoming damage, making your Vanguard incredibly resilient. Don't forget its Taunt ability. It's excellent for diverting enemy attention, especially from your damage dealers or healers. Effective use of these abilities can create crucial openings for your team to push or recover. For advanced play, consider Craven Vanguard's synergy with other heroes. Pairing it with a strong healer dramatically increases its survivability, allowing it to hold the line longer. Use its Bulwark Shield to absorb high-impact enemy ultimates, effectively neutralizing their threat. Furthermore, coordinating its taunt with area of effect damage dealers can group enemies for devastating attacks, turning a defensive stand into an offensive opportunity. While formidable, Craven Vanguard isn't invincible. High burst damage and strong crowd control abilities can quickly overwhelm its defenses. Exploit its cooldowns. If its Bulwark Shield is down, that's your window to focus fire and take it out. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Mastering Craven Vanguard requires practice, but its impact on team success is undeniable. Keep these tips in mind for your next Ultimate Battlegrounds match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.